Well, hello, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another interesting instant noodle recipe time episode. The show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Continuing our 6 review series of the Way Premium Foods products. Today we got some authentic Penang Prawn Mee. Got the water boiling, been really going over with the other 2 videos, so I want to get this rolling so I can go get my kid on time, because if I don't do that, there'll be hell to pay. Yeah. Or noodles that just don't end up being cooked, which is another flavor of hell. 3 to 4 minutes boiling, so we're gonna go with 3.5. The weather here is absolutely horrible. And I'm feeling triumphant. And I'm watching that water, and you're not gonna boil over. It's not gonna happen. Because I'm paying attention. Paying attention is a hallmark of, well, paying attention. And good taste. Remember, you want to be part of that elegant perfection lifestyle, you're gonna have to, pay attention. So water is boiling, noodles are cooking. It's windy and rainy. Kids at school. Just ate a whole can of pineapple, and pineapple, when you don't eat it out of a can, sure seems to have a lot less calories, if you ask me. It was good. Definitely wasn't a horrible thing to eat. A little more sugar than I expected. But it was very much enjoyable. I had a couple shrimp too, and a couple small pieces of chicken. So, it's so weird because it's like, I don't know, the last time, I don't know, I've done the Weight Watchers thing, I've done the Atkins thing, that worked great. I did the Divorce Atkins diet, which was like, amazing. So, that was basically like, I want a divorce, and then trying to do everything possible to fix that. This was like almost 10 years ago, yeah. And I would like wake up extra early, walk to the store to get her a drink to bring to work with her. I would like completely clean everything in the house. I mean, I was just like on, and like for breakfast, I would have, what do you call it? Like sausage, bell peppers, and eggs. And I would just like make a big bowl of it, eat of that, and that was all I ate during the day. I think I ate like fiber and some, what do you call it? Drank a ton of caffeine. And it was just going out of my mind. And I think in like 2 months I lost like 70 pounds. I was like walking all over the place, exercising like a maniac. Mental strain. Quit drinking too at that point. It's just like, wow. People were like, dude, you get dealt like a crummy deal and then you like turn into Superman. That's pretty amazing. Most people would start drinking heavily. But yeah, that was the last diet that really worked. Actually, the last one that really worked was I lived in a different area, and there was a nice area that was like a 2-mile loop or a 1.5-mile loop. And I could just like get outside and walk that loop really easily. You know, I'm legally blind, so that makes it hard to get around. And like here where we live, that's a little difficult too. Let's see what this says. We're good. Okay. This and 200 mils of water. this and 200 mils of water. This is the Prawn Mee. Come on. It's prawn time. Prawn time. There we go. Pronto. Yeah. I need to drain those. The water is getting nice and warm, bubbly, and all that. So we're going to drop this in there. So it looks like the one that was first was the dry noodle, and the dry noodle needed to have the sachet boiled. That one didn't tend to stir in so well, but it really didn't matter because it was very chunky paste. The first one, it was 2 videos ago, and that was, what do you call it? Scallop noodle. Da bomb, let me tell you. Drain this off. This is the last review of the day. We'll just leave that like that. Let that water go. And we will have some Prawn Mee. I would totally eat the whole thing, but no. New bowl. Found that yesterday at Wajimaya in Bellevue. That's trippy, huh? Whoa! Yeah. Cool new bowl. And I'll just dump the noodles in now. Here are the noodles awaiting the brothy lovin'. Let's see if I can do this. This is like knockoff Magnum PI music or something. Sorry for conking you in the head, folks at home. Okay, there we go. It mentioned chicken, which I still think is kind of weird. That's not something that I usually think of when I think of prawn noodle, but that's okay. I will use chicken as recommended after I taste it. Getting ahead of myself. So let's give this a try. Here's the noodle. Try some broth. Good color. Looks like strong business here. Wow. That is some strong prawn meat, and it's nice and spicy too. Ooh. That is some lovin' right there. I really, really like that. Now, let's cross our fingers for this. Yes, the egg complies with requirements. That's about all, though. There you go. There you go. You should be over this way a little bit. No, you shouldn't, because you're just going to fall apart that way. No, stop. Okay. And then, yeah, we had some chicken. I'm going to give it a little oblong cut. Let's see. go. Got a couple prawny prawns. Go there. And definitely this screams, cries, and calls for fried onion. And a lot of it. And that is pure wonderment, engagement score, and happiness. I'm going to throw some spring onions in here too. Throw some bits of coriander here and there. This is like one of those things that makes me very, very happy. I mean, I've had so much prawn noodle in my life. Oh. In my life, that when I spent a little bit of time in Malaysia, that is. But it's just like, I love the stuff. It's like candy. It's spiritual. So, I'm sure you can actually see the noodle. Oh my god. That's heaven. Yep. I think I really want to eat that like hard. But I'm gonna be a good boy. So anyways, that is exemplary stuff. Let me just say. I am like really, ooh, yeah. So, all I know is that it's from Malaysia. I don't know if it's gonna come over here, but if it does, you're in for a treat, yo. There's other prawn mee that's over here. That's much a treat too. So, yeah, I swear, prawn noodle and this. So, anyways, I gotta get. Yeah, good stuff. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click like, please subscribe, please click the notification bell. Anytime I come out with a new video, you'll know first. So, yeah, got some cool stuff coming up. And I'm actually going to get a Japan candy box to see how that is. Eat tiny little pieces of that. Alright, have a good one. Bye.